Oh, right here?
Yeah. Let me get the crank.
Really? And then crank up the truck.
Cranks the engine, yeah. Just stick it right there in the hole right here. Kind of hard to get it lined up. There it is.
And then just go around this way.
Yeah. It ain't gonna crank because I don't have the switch on, but that's the way you crank it.
And then it always just cut on.
Yeah.
What do you have it sitting there like when you have it in park? What do you have it like sitting there on the truck? You just leave it in the back?
I put, oh, this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sometimes I put it in the floorboard and sometimes I just keep it back here.
Yes, sir. Now wood in the back of the truck. To be honest, the first time I was out and I seen you driving, the white wall tires on it.
I started to get white wall.
Really?
Yeah. But I painted this Firestone and this little shield on there, and I got the red crowns on it.
I like that.
They used to give away red crown valve caps at standard oil stations.
Mm-hmm. They used to just give them away?
Yeah, they check your air and put those red crowns on there, and everybody know you've been to the standard oil station. It was good advertisement for them.
Yes, sir.
So they're hard to find now.
I never even seen tires like this before. And then I like how it has all of this. You got a spare tire on it and everything. What are these used for? This is...
Yeah, you just unhook these to let the tailgate down.
Okay.
And then you hook on the tailgate so it'll stay out like that.
Yes, sir. And these lights come on too?
Yeah, it's not supposed to have these. It's just something I added so I'd have more brake lights.
Yes, sir.
And I got them wired up through here. It's part of the blinker and the brake system.
That's cool. And what is the 46 for?
1946 Chevy, matching tag back here. And this is the first 46 I got before I found that matching tag, and it's got the vintage on it. It was registered for this one.
Yes, sir.
Kind of complicated, but I have to keep it on the truck.
Yes, sir. The actual official one.
And here's my backup light.
Okay.
I just flip it on with a switch.
That's the light you was telling me about? That switch?
Well, right here, so
okay.
Should be on now.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
And this little switch right here, you flip it over that way and this dash light comes on right there.
Oh, yeah. So are these seats?
Bench seat.
Bench seat?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the engine?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's the original six cylinder right there with one of the more Auga horn. This truck came with two options. One was an oil filter,
yes,
one
sir.
was a heater.
And that was it?
This one's got the heater and the oil filter. That was the only extras you could get.
And everything is all original oil filter, original engine.
Everything's all original. Still got the 6-volt battery, so it's kind of slow to crank up.
Yes, sir. So that's the original battery too? Or you got
It's
another?
got new batteries, but it still got the same old kind of 6-volt.
Yes, sir.
You know, back in the 50s, they finally went to the 12-volt system. But
okay. Yes, sir.
you
That's
can
like
convert
now.
this over to a 12-volt.
And what's this part for?
Just sometimes letting more air down around.
Into the engine?
Now down around your feet, to cool your feet off.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Here's a Chevrolet heater. I restored that heater right there too.
That's the heater for the inside of the car?
Yeah, this is the
In
heater.
the truck?
And it's got, if you're cold, you can just open these doors up to let more heat out.
Yes, sir.
Or less. And then it also goes up, got another motor that runs these defrosters here.
Yes, sir.
It's got a little control over here for your feet also. This is a really old key right here, old Chevrolet key. And keychain fob right there.
And this all original?
It's original, but
yes,
it was somebody found some old ones that were still in the box.
Yes, sir.
And I had it cut to fit my truck. So That's kind of special.
That's a win-win. What's this part for? It's to lock it.
This is the gas. Just where you just fill it up. And I got a locking. That's not original gas.
Okay.
I just got it where I can lock it.
What kind of gas it take?
Regular.
Regular?
Mm-hmm. Hop up in there and let me.
Really?
Yeah.
Here you go, sir.
Is it videoing?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
And when I do the other video, I'm gonna use the other camera to actually get the shots of it in the picture.
Okay.
I like this. 1946. Man. And then you roll it all the way up on. Okay. I like how you take care of it too. I like that. It's your pride and joy.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can't say much because it's just you don't get a chance to see stuff like this every day.
I know it.
This is more than more than enough. What's the farthest you ever drove it?
I have to take it to work in Opelika every now and then. And I drove it to Lafayette. I drove it out towards the Kia plant. I knew there's a guy out there that's got some 46 Chevys. I went out there to see him once or twice.
Yes, sir. How much you think these trucks are now, like worth for, and how much was like the retail price back in the day, if you know?
Probably $400, something like that.
Really?
Back in 46, yeah. This was 1946 is the first year they started selling to the public, because from 41 to 45 they sold them. They made them only for the war.
Yes, sir.
Army trucks. My first 46 I had, the guy that bought it saved dimes all through the war and bought it with dimes. So it's like, I think it seems like it's about 400 bucks, but it may have been less than that. And now it's worth probably about 18,000. Maybe
Way
20.
more. I think it's worth more than that. Like now, have you ever heard of it's in Minnesota. It's called Mopar. The guy he has like all of the old Mopar cars. He have a lot of like Dodge original one owner cars, and he's selling them for like 250,000.
Wow.
Like I wish I could think of the
name.
name.
Sell this one for that.
Really? You could. What all colors did they come in back in the day?
Solid black.
Solid black.
And this is Swift red and black, and then they had a blue and black, and
yes,
blue
sir.
and black, and brown, I think also. And that makes the starter go. And that's where you dim the lights over here.
Really?
Yeah. Dim, bright, dim, bright.
Yes, sir.
And then this makes the gas, presses the gas. So you can go down the road like cruise control.
Yes, sir. You know? How long have you had this?
I've had it about 7-8 years.
Really?
But I had one just like it back when I was in 1980.
Yes, sir.
And I restored it all myself. It was in bad shape, and I had it painted and did all the mechanical stuff. And I sold it, and I always regretted selling it. So I just always longed to have it back, you know.
Yes, sir.
So I just looked for another one. I found this one up in Twin Falls, Idaho.
In Idaho?
Yeah, Twin Falls, Idaho, and I had it shipped down here with a FedEx, a special car carrier that FedEx has.
That's what's that on the steering wheel? Just like something to hold on to?
Suicide knob came with a truck. It's a Rebel flag, but it's Dixie Oil Company.
Yes, sir. You can't beat this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's ride around the block right quick, cool off.
So it's not a stick shift at all, it's automatic. It's just how...
Oh, that's a stick. It's got 4 speed in the floor.
Yes, sir.
And you have to double clutch it.
Yes, sir.
And that's emergency brakes.
Okay.
And this is your heater and your defroster. And then the windshield wiper works on the vacuum.
Yes, sir.
shift, you have to double clutch this one like
Okay,
that.
okay.
The gears will grind.
You can't beat that, man.
The vacuum from the engine.
Yes, sir. How often do you drive it?
I try to drive it every day or so.
Really?
But at least every week.
Yes, sir.
When I broke my arm, I didn't drive it for 3 or 4 weeks. I just restored the speedometer. It was all a mess. I took it all apart, repainted everything.
Yes, sir.
Got it all, got the odometer working right. The speedometer finally works. I had it up to 60 miles an hour before. It's about as fast as it goes.
About 60. Then it just starts dumping. Yes, sir. How much gas does it hold?
I think it's like 15 gallons, something like that. 15.
That part.
Yep.
I think it'd be cool if they brought it out like on the new cars. I feel like some of the stuff that they have on the older cars, they should put it on the new cars. Like with the old Camaros and Corvettes with the lights that close up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I think that'd be cool if they put some of those in the new cars and stuff.
Yeah, I'd rather have this than the sunroof.
Oh yeah. How often do you wash it?
Once a month.
Once a month.
Yeah. Whenever it gets nice and dirty.
Yeah, sir. You like driving manual over an automatic transmission?
I like it both.
Like a both. Does it really get tiring like people say it does? Or it's fun to you?
It's fun. Yeah.
That's one of my achievements that I want to be able to do when I get older is drive a manual. The first car that I actually buy, I want to have a manual transmission. I've always been a Ford guy.
We'll have some greenery around.
Yes, sir.
Take all the pictures we want right here. It's like we're fixing to have.
How you?
We're at kidney dialysis building.
Oh man, my bad. I don't tell nobody that.
I won't.
Yes,
We didn't get that on film.
No. The only solid color was the black,
Mm-hmm.
and then all the other ones was like the two different multicolors.
Right,
And those are the original tires and everything.
original kind, yeah, they call
Yes,
this
sir.
the pie crust tires right
Pie-
here. They're
Yes,
fly,
sir.
fly tires, so they're not radials. They hadn't invented radials at this time. So
Yes, sir.
I keep the old type on there.
Did you do the tire lettering or it was already red?
You talking about the Firestone part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just bought those tires from Sandy Service Center probably, I don't know, 6 months ago, something like that, and I painted them myself.
How often do you get people to come up to you when you park at like a gas station?
Almost every time.
Really?
Yeah.
You enjoy it, don't you?
Yeah, unless I'm in a hurry.
Yes. A lot of people take pictures of it.
Yeah.
People talk about like the amount of attention you get in like some of the newer cars, but in the older car, once you really get in when you drive it, I bet it's so much attention.
Yeah.
Just to see one of these go down the road.
That's right. Truck hauler that they had just developed it. It's enclosed with elevators inside and everything.
Really?
They delivered it down here and
Okay, I know what you're talking about. Them newer the trucks when they deliver like cars and stuff, and they'll let it down. They'll park in the road. And
yeah, the Valley Police Department pulled them over and said, "You ain't doing nothing wrong, but we had never seen anything like this. What is it?" And they said, "It's a truck hauler from FedEx." And
yes, sir.
they said, "We're taking it to carry Meggs." And they said, "Well, we know where he lives. We just unloaded up at Valley High." And he said, "No, I'm going to put it out at his front door." So he went over there and pulled up on the main road.
Yes, sir.
And police, there was like 5 police cars with blue lights, and they shut the whole block down. He got a NASCAR off of it, a Rolls Royce, and a
For real?
yeah, a Corvette that was special edition. It was like $162,000. I got pictures of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
And so it was $2,460 to send it down here, and he said, "I'll just waive that.
Really?
You don't owe us anything." And he said, if it costs any more than that to fix it, you send me a bill, and I'll send you the rest of the money, because they didn't want to have a claim.
Yes, sir.
So I didn't ever ask for any more money, but I just left it up there because it's part of the story, you know. Part of the story of this truck. Free shipment from Twin Falls, Idaho. It had to go from Twin Falls over to Washington, down California, through Texas, because he was picking up cars and dropping cars off the whole time. And so when he got here, mine was up in the front.
It looks good though. You can tell you take care of it, especially after having it for that long. When I do that one day too, I want to ship a car to myself. It's a lot of stuff I want to do.
Yeah. Well, get you a good job. You're gonna be able to.
Yes, sir.